In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in Figma. Start by opening your design so you can see the frame or artboard you want to work on. Once your file is open, head to the text you want to change and double-click it on the canvas. That puts your cursor inside the text layer so you can type to replace words. Highlight specific portions to adjust them. Or select the entire text box if you want to update everything at once. If you click once and see only the bounding box, just double-click again to enter editing mode. With the text active, look to the right-hand panel and find the text section. This is your control center for everything related to type. To change the font, pick a new typeface from the font drop-down. You can switch styles like bold and italic to create emphasis or establish hierarchy. Use this thoughtfully: bold for headings, regular for body, and italic for subtle emphasis keeps your design consistent and readable. Next, adjust size and weight. Increasing the font size makes an element more prominent. Decreasing it helps secondary information step back. Weight affects how heavy or light the characters appear. Pairing a heavier weight for headings with a lighter one for paragraphs is a simple way to guide the viewer's eye. For spacing, tweak line height to control the space between lines. A bit more line height usually improves readability, especially for longer paragraphs. Letter spacing adjusts the space between characters. Small increases can help all caps text breathe, while small decreases can make headlines feel tighter. Paragraph spacing adds or reduces space before or after blocks of text, which helps separate sections without adding extra shapes or lines. Alignment determines how your text sits within its container. Set horizontal alignment to left, center, or right based on your layout needs, and use vertical alignment to position text at the top, middle, or bottom of the text box. Consistent alignment across similar elements keeps your design clean and professional. For color and effects, choose a text color that provides enough contrast against the background so it's easy to read. If you need extra definition, add a subtle stroke or try a soft drop shadow to lift text from busy backgrounds. Keep effects minimal to avoid visual clutter. If you need to change how the text wraps without changing the font size, drag the handles of the text box. This resizes the container only, letting the text reflow to fit the new width or height, while keeping your typography settings intact. Thanks for watching.